Hello, it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today guys, we're going to look at day number 18 of our Birchbox advent calendar. Okay then guys, in day number 18 we have got a Brushworks Complexion sponge. So this says it is a super soft makeup sponge. It is suitable for both liquid and powder, and it's a high quality latex free design. Okay, so I will read what it says on the back too. So it says that this Brushworks Complexion sponge can be used wet or dry. It's designed to absorb small amounts of water when wet so that the makeup product sits on top of the sponge rather than being absorbed into it, allowing you to use less product every time. When wet, the sponge grows in size and becomes even softer. Air dry after use, the sponge will return to its normal size. Our Complexion sponge is soft, hygienic and versatile. Okay, so I did look this up online and it retails at around £4. So it's not expensive by any means. Okay, so I'm just going to take it out of the packet and have a little look. Haven't used this, as you can probably tell because it's still in the packet. My favourite to use is the Real Techniques Complexion sponge, and it's a completely different shape to this one, so it's interesting. Okay, so we're in. I'm just going to lift it out. Okay, so as you can see, it's this kind of very interesting shape, I guess. And I would imagine, personally for me, what I would probably do is I would probably use this side for putting on more foundation, and then perhaps this side more for concealer, patting it in those like eye corners and perhaps around the nose and things. Do you have my Real Techniques one? Right, my Real Techniques one is dirty because I've used it today, but I'll just show you it. Yes, I haven't cleaned it since this morning, I apologise. Yeah, it's quite dirty, but I like the Real Techniques one. Obviously this has been wet, so it's quite a bit bigger. But I like the flat end for dabbing product on, and that one does look like it's quite flat on the bottom. So when it gets a little bit bigger, it might have a bigger surface area. And I do really like the pointy end for getting in to the corners and things, which hopefully that end will also be. So anyway, I'll just chuck that back over there. Anyway guys, I haven't given this a try, but if you are interested in me trying it, what I will do is I'll perhaps give it a bit more of a fair review than a quick try now in these advent calendar months. So if you'd like to see me use this, then please drop me a comment down below and let me know. And in the new year, I'll give it a bit of a review. I will try and give it a fair testing, because I think when you're using something like this, sometimes you need to give it more than 1 or 2 uses. And like I say, I can perhaps compare it with my Real Techniques sponge. I can maybe do half and half a face or something. Just let me know what you guys think. If you're interested in seeing me use this, then just drop me a comment and I will be happy to do so. It's always nice to try new products. I am quite set in my ways. I do really like that Real Techniques sponge, and since I've found that, that's the one I've been using over and over, and I've bought so many of those. So anyway then guys, that is day number 18 of our advent calendar. Again, it's a nice little addition. A makeup sponge is always super handy. It's not the one that I usually go for, but you never know, it might actually be fantastic. It's better if I don't throw it on the floor. So anyway guys, that's day 18. So if you've liked this video, then please hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, because it'd be fantastic to have you here. And until my next video, which hopefully will be tomorrow, I will see you very, very soon. Bye-bye.